Welcome in. It's Dan Hardenbrook. Glad to have you along as we take a look at your latest local news from around the region. It is your Newberry News Update on M123 FM. In your latest local news this morning, a one-of-a-kind school closing that you'd find only in the Upper Peninsula. Engadine's preschool program is closed today after a partridge flew through the window at the school facility. Engadine Consolidated Schools announcing that the preschool program will be canceled after partridge flew through the classroom window yesterday. Shards of glass were spread through the classroom. Nobody was hurt. Preschoolers were eating lunch at the time when the partridge flew through the double pane glass. Cleanup is taking place in the preschool room at the Engadine school facility today. The room is being closed so it can be thoroughly cleaned out and deemed safe for students to resume. Engadine says preschool will be back open at its normal day tomorrow. Helen Newberry Joy Hospital and Healthcare Center wants you to enjoy a healthy holiday season. They've got tips on ways you can make that happen. Make sure you check out their 7 ways to enjoy a healthy holiday, including planning your daily eating, aiming for mostly healthy foods, remain physically active, get enough sleep, lay off alcohol, position yourself away from the buffet, slow down and be aware. You can also get some healthy holiday recipe swaps and learn how to manage stress and eating habits. Check out the display in the most recent edition of the Newberry News. You can go to the Helen Newberry Joy Hospital and Healthcare Center Facebook page. Their website at hnjh.org also has information. Helen Newberry Joy Hospital and Healthcare Center wants the community to know that they're here for you even during the holiday season. Don't let decoration mishaps or kitchen slips ruin your holiday gatherings. It's holiday indulgence with safe holiday tips. Brought to you by Helen Newberry Joy Hospital and Healthcare Center. Again, check those out in the most recent edition of the Newberry News. The Michigan Department of Natural Resources and their Hunter Appreciation Deer Drop-In Monday programs are coming back for the firearm deer season. Department of Natural Resources holding deer drop-in events every Monday, locations across the state. Hunters are invited to drop in and say hello. Harvested deer are also welcome, but not required. At each Deer Drop-In Monday event, hunters are offered the chance to bring in a deer or a lower jaw for aging, pick up free hunting swag, including patches, stickers, hand warmers, field dressing gloves, and so much more. You can also connect with DNR staff and fellow hunters, talk about how your season is going. Mark your calendars and remember those opening dates. Drop-ins for the Monday drop-in event will continue on December 1st. Locations include the Newberry Customer Service Center on M123 and the Sault Ste. Marie Field Office. The Lewis County Board of Commissioners is reminding the community they'll hold a public hearing today on the proposed county budget for the 2026 fiscal year. That public hearing on the proposed county budget will take place at 4:15 today in the Circuit Courtroom of the Lewis County Government Building. That is at 407 West Harry Street in Newberry. The property tax millage rate proposed to be levied to support the proposed budget will be a subject of the hearing. Copy of the proposed 2026 Lewis County budget is available through the Lewis County Clerk's Office. I'm Dan Hardenbrook. That's your latest local news today. It's your Newberry News Update on M123 FM. Time now to check in with sports. Pistons win their 10th in a row. They top the Pacers 127-112 at Little Caesars Arena. 12-2 overall, 8-1 at home for the Pistons. Both the best records in the Eastern Conference. It's a big night for big man Jalen Duran. His performance led the Pistons to the victory. Duran had a 31-point, 15 rebounds. 4 different Pistons in double figures. A fifth off the bench, Javonte Green had 20. Dennis Jenkins had 26 for the Pistons. Red Wings return to the ice. They will host the Seattle Kraken. Their turn at Little Caesars Arena tonight. Red Wings and Kraken, 7 o'clock the game on ESPN. Red Wings 11-7-1 entering the contest. Dylan Larkin leading the Wings in points and in goals. Scored 11 times this year, has 12 assists on the year. Your latest local weather forecast for the day today: partly sunny and a high in the upper 30s. Calm winds north, 5 miles per hour. Wednesday, mostly sunny, a high in the low 40s. Calm winds southwest, 5 miles per hour. Thursday, rain returns, mostly cloudy, highs in the low to mid 40s. I'm Dan Hardenbrook. Have a great day. It is your Newberry News Update on M123 FM.